Hello, everyone. This is Guru with Keller Williams, Mountains of Sound here in Seattle, Washington. I am making this video in regards to the COVID-19 relief option for small businesses that they can apply online. Disclaimer that I want to put out there is that I am a commercial and residential broker. I am not your attorney. I am not your CPA, and this is not a legal advice. So if you have any questions in regards to some specifics on the application, please talk to your attorney or talk to your CPA. Any other general question, I'll be more than happy to answer. So in order to get started for this, you need to go to SBA.gov. I will put that link in the description of the video. Before that, I want to go over who is eligible for this funding. So according to my information that I have here, any small business that has 500 or fewer employees, including sole proprietors, independent contractors, and corporates are eligible for this loan. So now there are two different type of loans. One is the $10,000 payment, which is a forgivable debt to small businesses. And the other one is the economic injury disaster loan that they have, which is a separate application that you need to go and file with SBA approved lender. If you don't have an account with them, then either you need to make an account with them, or I know I was told that US Bank is accepting applications regardless if you have an account with them or not. If that information is not true going forward, then I'm sorry, but up to now what I know that is true. So going back to the SBA's website, you go to SBA.gov and you're going to click on the top here which says additional resources. Once you click, it should load another page, and if you scroll down, we're going to click on coronavirus funding option. Click here to learn more about available SBA loan and debt relief options. Once you're there, you're going to come to this. As I told you before, there are different options that are available. Paycheck Protection Program, SBA Express Bridge Loan, SBA Debt Relief. That you can take it up to the SBA lender that they can help you with that. Today we're only going to talk about this EIDL loan advance, this $10,000. And I know it says loan advance, but once we come here, as you see, it states here this loan advance will not have to be repaid. So I'm just going off on what is listed on this website. So once you're on this website, you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on Get Disaster Assistance. Once you click there, it says to apply for economic injury disaster loan, please click here. We're going to click there, and you're going to come to an application that looks just like this. In order to save you all that time, I'll put a link in the video description. They'll straight bring you here, so you don't have to worry about finding where it is or lose any steps. So once you're here, you're going to choose one of the options that are applicable to you here. Are you a business with no more than 500 employees, or are you an individual who's operating under a sole proprietorship? Whoever you are, and then we'll just go with I'm a business with not more than 500 employees because that's who I am. And then review and check of the following. So all these boxes needs to be checked. If they're not checked, then you're not eligible for this loan/grant. So we're going to check all of these, and please make sure you read through those and check them. And once you do that, you'll see this continue button will highlight like this. So we're going to click on that. Here you're going to fill out all the information. So your business legal name, I'll put mine here. Trade name, if you are any other trade names that you use. If you don't use any, then it's going to be the same name that you use up there. That's going to be on there. I'm an LLC. And EIN or social security number. If you are a sole proprietor who did not apply for an EIN, then just put your social security number here. Don't worry, the formation that comes out here is just, put your numbers in and then you should be good. I'm just picking random numbers to put in there to help you out. Right here, where you're gonna select which organization type you are. S corporation, C corporation, limited liability. I'm a limited liability company, but I elect to file it as corporation. So I'm going to choose that. Is this a non-profit organization? Hopefully you're not. If you are, then you got to click yes. If you are a franchise, yes or no. And on the bottom, it talks about the gross revenue for the 12-month prior to the date of disaster. So that will be last year. For kicks and giggles, I'll put in 100,000. And then the next option is cost of goods sold. I don't know, based on your industry, what it is or what it is not. So this is where I again will suggest you to get with your accountant or your lawyer to figure out what that is. For kicks and giggles, for just the sake of this, I'm going to put 40,000. And if you have rental properties, nonprofit, whatever it is, you can put those things here. You can fill that out. This is not required, but if you have that information, put it in there. And then your address, right? Put it in there. I'll put my office address in here. City, state. The other thing is, don't use autofill, because once you use autofill on these forms, the form itself doesn't like it. So even if it pops up, make sure you fill the whole thing out. And then your email. I'll just put my email here. There we go. Date of business established. I'm just gonna put 1/1/2019. If you started the business, let's say in the middle of last year or whatever, then that's what you'll put there. Current ownership since. So it could be that you bought a business, like maybe it started here and then you bought it. So then you'll put that date there. And then what is your business activity? Whatever it is that you use, you pick and choose. I'm gonna pick real estate because that's what I do. And then it could be that there is a detailed business activity. It could be only one will pop up or more options pops up. If only one, then you can just click none of the below. How many employees you have, you can put that there. Once all this filled out, as you can see, the next button highlight, we'll click on that. And then individual agent owner, that's if you own a business, that's who you're going to put. But before that, there's an option, is your business owned by a business entity? I am not, so I'm going to say no. If you are, you will click yes. If you don't know, once again, that's where your lawyer and your CPA will come in. I cannot help you with that. So, this will be me. I'll put my name in here, put my phone number in here. My title, I am the owner. I own 100%. My email. Social security number, this is where I'll put random numbers. Your birthday, I'm gonna, put whatever. And then your place of birth, wherever you were born, put USA. You're a U.S. citizen or not. It just asks you that, yes or no. It's not gonna go into details of, where it is. And your home address, where I'll just put my office address here again, but you can put your home address very easily. There you go. Once you're done, you can click next, or you can click add additional owner. Let's say you're two owners, own 50-50, could be three, however it is. Once you're done, you can click next. Here you're gonna have to answer these additional questions, read through that, and then answer yes or no, or whatever is applicable to you. And then this is where, if anybody else assisted you in completing this application, whether you pay a fee for the service or not, they can enter their information here. And then you have options to say that I give permission for SBA to discuss any portion of this application with the representative listed above. If your CPA helped with this, or your lawyer, this will be a good place to put their info in. So that way, if the SBA has any questions, they can refer to your lawyer or your CPA. And then click the box that says I would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000. Bank name, account number, routing number. Once that's done, check the box, make sure you read through that, and then hit next. And after that, you'll be able to submit. I'm not going to click next because there's a lot of bogus information in here. I did it for the purpose of this video. and then you can take it from there. Okay, hopefully this video helps out. Another tidbit, I know I kind of went a little faster, but YouTube has an option where you can slow down the video that you're watching. So kind of like I'm gonna put one here, and if you look at the settings here, it tells you the playback speed, and you can change the playback speed to slow, go up, or if you want to do it faster, you can go up. So you can go slower, and then that way you can slowly guide you. Like, so my video will slow down pretty much, and then you can see what's going on there. Okay. All right. Like I said, any legal questions, please get with your CPA or your attorney. Um, Other than that, any general questions, I'll be more than happy to answer that. I'll put all the links that I have here in the video description, along with the other benefits. And for the state of Washington, I will put the state of Washington's unemployment website where you can apply for unemployment there. So, all right, there's more information to come. As more information will flow, I will make sure I'll be happy to put a video out. So please make sure you like my channel, and so that way, and subscribe, and that way when I put a new video out, you're notified immediately. All right, thank you, and have a great day, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.